Yeah, welcome to the chat. As always, I apologize. I was busy yesterday, so we could not analyze the chart during the live session. However, let's just have a recap of what happened in the market on Friday, which is the 23rd of May. As we know, we employ the support and resistance strategy, looking out for the London support and resistance and seeing how price reacts within this zone, so as to have trade entries, trade opportunities, scalping opportunities and limitless opportunities. So right here on USD JPY, however, for the sake of beginners, support and resistance, these are turning points and reversal zones. So right here we try to catch the top and the bottom. As we look out for the top of the 1 hour chart and the bottom, the top right here we look out for the resistance, the bottom we look out for the support. However, exclusively we look out for the London support and resistance. So let us get straight to business. We can see on USD JPY during the London session, a strong resistance was made in the range of the market, and we can see how price reacted, creating a fair value gap, and you can see how price dropped. However, this is not a preferable zone we want to sell from. However, the fact that it formed during the London session makes it a strong zone, as the London session is the most liquid session, it is the most powerful session, it is the most profitable session in the forex market. On USD CHF, you can see during the London session, a strong resistance was formed as well, and this engulfing candle right here, let us mark it in a red box, and you can see what happens afterward. You can see how price reacted and price moved impulsively, which is very beautiful. And we can see on Euro USD during the London session, you can see a strong support was made. However, the retest was not during the London session, so we do not take this for it. So let us look out for more opportunities and see how price reacted during the London session. So on AUD/JPY, no strong London. On AUD/JPY, no strong support or resistance during the London session. Right here on GBP/USD, no strong support or resistance during the London session as well. However, let's just look out for this. Okay, during the London session, a strong resistance was formed within this zone, but price broke it. So this actually would have a strong resistance was formed, but you can see price spiked to and continued buying up. So once price broke this and we can see more than 2 close, we know that the price will continue to go higher. You can see this resistance turned to support. On NZD/USD during the London session, let us see, we had a strong resistance that was formed. However, it was broken and turned to support, as you can see right here. So on Euro JPY, we do not have a strong support and resistance during the London session. No preferable strong one. We had the resistance there. Nevertheless, fundamentally, you know, Friday is not a good day to trade, as that is when the market maker accumulates and trap traders, and we know that Friday is just half day, so it is not an advisable day to look out for trade entries. However, if you must trade on Fridays, you should always trade with caution. And you can see right here this support. Let us see the time. Is it during the London? And we have this strong resistance during the London session. You can see how price dropped on USD card. So that is beautiful. On gold, no strong support. On silver, you can see this London support at the bottom and it's held, and you can see how price went up. So you can see a day before there was a resistance here during the London, price dropped. The support here during the London, you can see how price went up. So when you try to work with these zones, I can assure you that profit is secured and you'll be trading in a strategic manner. Let's just see on GG, you can see the London resistance, and you can see how price dropped impulsively, creating a fair value gap. A fair value gap, this is a zone in the market where there is minimal to no trading in between the open and the close. So you can see, okay, so let's check DXY. So that is all for that. As always, plan your trade your plan, and most importantly, manage your risk and emotions.